Hello again, this is Phil Creighton of the Shadow Chasers reviewing paranormal detection equipment. The next invaluable piece of equipment that we have come across is this little bugger right here. This is an air ion counter. Use your thumb right here on the faceplate to ground yourself out so it won't count the ions from you. However, the back plate here will actually detect and count the individual ions per millionth in the air that it comes in contact with. So right now we're looking at fluctuations between 0 and negative 12 ions. That's 12 negative ions for those who don't know what's going on. What this essentially does, one of our postulations is that an EM field is, well, possibly the ghost. And sometimes you're just at the wrong frequency, the wrong spectrum to actually detect it. But what we have found is very, very reliable is measuring electrostatic energy, or your ES fields. And in this case, the idea is any matter, any electrical field passing through the air that comes in contact with any molecule will inherently cause static because it causes friction between the molecules. So if you're sweeping a magnet over an area, you will actually magnetize it and cause more ions as it passes over that area. This essentially will allow you to count those ions. So even if you're not in the right spectrum to count, like see what milligauss the energy spike is at, or in the wrong frequency, you will actually be able to see that there is a rise in ions from a particular area. Very, very useful. We've seen cases where this will actually rapidly count into the thousands of ions and then drop off immediately, simply because when we took the photo we caught a sort of misty apparition, and this was the thing that gave us clue to take the photo at that moment. Very, very useful piece of equipment. Very small, very, very easy to lose. Kind of pricey too. This is $99, this little bugger right here. It's designed to count the ions coming off of Tesla coils and other ion generators. So it works for our purposes and is very, very useful. Just a little bit pricey for what it is. And once again, the CR2032 batteries, 2032 batteries for this thing. So when it gets a little bit expensive.